Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. I am Sampath. In this class we are going to discuss paper number 266 IBPS RRB PO and clerical prelims paper, okay, reasoning paper. And first of all, directions 1 to 5, study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 8 persons Y, J, F, L, W, C, A and U sit in a linear row and all of them face north directions but not necessarily in the same order. Here we have a linear row, and in this linear row there are totally 8 persons are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All are facing north directions. Now, if they are facing north directions, it is the right side and it is the left side. Okay, so this is the right side of them, it is the left side of them. And 3 persons sit between U and W, who sits second to the left of L. Between U and W there are 3 persons are there, and also W sits second to the left of L. Okay, it is the condition. Suppose if I place L here, W is second to the left of L, and between W and U there are totally 3 persons are there, 1, 2 and 3. U is coming here. And next, one more possibility I am taking, I am placing L here. If I place W here, U is coming here. Okay, 2 possibilities. And next, number of persons sit to the right of L same as the number of persons sit to the left of Y, who is not adjacent to U. It means U and Y both are not neighbors. Okay, and also right of L equal to left of Y. సో ఎంతమంది అయితే రైట్లో కూర్చున్నారో ఎల్కి అంతేమంది వైకి లెఫ్ట్లో కూర్చున్నారని మీనింగ్ అనమాట. సో హియర్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎల్ హియర్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ప్లేస్ వై హియర్, యూ అండ్ వై బోత్ ఆర్ అడ్జసెంట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. సపోజ్ కమింగ్ టు ద second possibility, I have L here, right of L there are 2 persons, so here I am taking Y, left of Y there are 2 persons, condition satisfied. Next, F sits third to the left of A. Okay, so if I place A here, F is third to the left of A, 1, 2 and 3. F is coming here. Only 2 places are left. Okay, this place and this place. And next, last, J doesn't sit any extreme end of row. Okay, in these 2 places J is not coming here, J is coming here. The remaining person C is sitting left end of the row. It is the puzzle. Okay, so I am going to copy this puzzle. Next, here we have totally 5 questions on this puzzle. We have to answer each and every question. See the first question. See the first question. Yes. Okay. Yes. See the first question. Who among the following persons sit at right end of the row? So right end of the row we have U here. So U is the answer. Who among the following persons second to the right of C? C here we have C, and second to the right of C Y is there. So option 5 is the answer. Who among the following person immediate neighbors of W? Immediate neighbors of W, W here, W right side A and W left side Y. We have A and Y. A and Y, option 2 is the answer. What is the position of A with respect to J? A here and J here. From J, A is second to the left. Second to the left. Option 1 is the answer. How many persons sit between C and L? Between C and L, C here and L here. Between C and L there are totally 4 persons are there. Okay, so it is the puzzle. And coming to the next question, see the next question. We have coding and decoding, directions 6 to 10. There are totally 5 questions on this topic. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions accordingly in a certain code language. 4 sentences we have. First one is crisis, vision, various and artificial, coded as like this. Problem, crisis, effect and earth, coded as like this. Artificial, earth, effects and vision, coded as like this. Problem, vision, data and earth, coded as like this. On this coding and decoding we have totally 5 questions are there. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ని మనము 2 వేస్లో సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ద ఫస్ట్ వే ఈజ్ బిగినర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు కోడ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వర్డ్ and then after solve questions. Okay, first ప్రతి వర్డ్కి కోడింగ్ అనేది కనుక్కొని దాని తర్వాత యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్స్. 5 questions ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. అండ్ సెకండ్ వే ఈజ్ డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ టు ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ if I see first question, what is the code for various? Okay, you have to find directly code for various word and answer it. Okay, that is the best way. Why? Because we have same we will save time also. Okay, so see the first question. What is the code for various? What is the code for various? So where various lies? In the first sentence we have various word, and second sentence there is no various word, third sentence there is also no various word, and fourth sentence is also there is no various word. So what is the code for various? The code is not repeated in second, third and fourth sentences. You have to find that. ns here and ns here, this is not code for various. Okay, this is not code for various. Next, ke here also, ke is also not code for various. st here also and st here also. Okay, st is also not code for various. Then next, finally tc is lies only first sentence only. So what is the code for various? tc is the various. Option 4 is the answer. Next, what will be the code for problem? We have to find code for problem. Okay, we have to find code for problem. See where problem lies. In second sentence we have problem word, and there is no third sentence, and fourth sentence also we have problem word. Only second and fourth. Find which code is lies in only second and fourth. So td here also, td here also, td here also. td is not code for problem. lw lies in second and lw in fourth only. Maybe lw is the code for problem. lw is the code for problem. Next, bl lies in second, bl lies in third. Next, ke first and second. Okay, what is the code for problem? Finally, code for problem is lw. Next, what is the code for earth? Okay, we need to find code for earth. Where earth lies? In second sentence and in third and in fourth. So find which code is lies in only second, third and fourth. td lies second, third and fourth. Maybe td is the code for earth. Okay, td is the code for earth. And next, lw, already lw is problem code. Next, bl lies in only second and third, ke is in first and third. So what is the code for earth? td is the code for earth. td is the code for earth. Next, question number 9. Which of the following word coded as st? We need to find code for st. So where st lies in coding? So in first sentence we have st, and in third sentence we have st, and in fourth sentence also we have st code. So find which word lies in first, third and fourth. crisis first and second is lies. So crisis is not code for st. Next, vision. So vision lies in first sentence and third sentence and also fourth sentence. Maybe st code is vision, I think. And next, various. Already various we find, that is tc is the code for various. Next, artificial lies in first and third only. Okay, not in fourth. So finally, what is the code for st? Vision word is the code for st. What is the answer here? Vision is the answer. Next, question number 10. Which of the following words are coded as gr and ns? Okay, we need to find gr and ns. gr and ns. So first of all, find the words where gr lies. So gr only lies in fourth sentence. Okay, so what is the word which is lies only fourth? Problem is already coded we have, that is lw is the problem. Vision also coded, and data and earth is also coded. Okay, earth is td. Then what is the gr here? Gr is data. Okay, gr is data. And next, ns ns is where ns lies, ns in third sentence and ns in first sentence, only third and first. So find the which word lies in only first and third sentence. Artificial. So once you observe, artificial lies only first and third sentence. So what is the code for ns? Artificial. Okay, data artificial is our answer. Data artificial or else artificial data. This is the coding and decoding. So ఎవరైతే బిగినర్స్ ఉన్నారో మీరు ఫస్ట్ అన్ని వర్డ్స్కి కోడింగ్ అనుకొని యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్వశ్చన్. అదర్వైజ్ ఒకవేళ మీరు వెల్ ప్రాక్టీస్డ్ అయితే కనుక డైరెక్ట్గా ఇలాగే క్వశ్చన్ టు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. వై? బికాస్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ ఆన్ దిస్ టాపిక్ వీ విల్ గెట్ ఓన్లీ 2 to 3 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, అన్ని వర్డ్స్కి కోడింగ్ అనుకొని ఓన్లీ 2 to 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తే మనకి ఇట్స్ అ వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్. ఓకే, సో సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Next question. So if we form a 5-letter meaningful word, first, third, fourth, seventh and eighth letter from the left end of the given word technology. Okay, technology. From this technology, first letter is T, third is C and fourth is H and next fifth, sixth, seventh is L and eighth is O. Okay, from these letters we have to find a 5-letter meaningful word. Okay, from this T, C, H, L, O we can only make cloth, C, L, O, T, H, cloth word. Only cloth word ఒకటే మనకు వస్తుంది. Okay, and what is the second letter of the meaningful word from left end? We need to find second letter from the meaningful word. So from left నుండి second letter ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? L. So option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. See the next question. Next question, question number 12 to 15. 12 to 15. Study the numerical series carefully and answer the questions given below. So what is the 12th question? How many 6 is immediately followed by an even digit? 6 number, after 6 number we have an even digit number. Okay, we need to find this combination 6 and even digit. Starting from 9, 6 and odd, and after 6 we have 8. This one is the combination, and after 6 we have 2. This is the combination, second combination, third combination, and this is not the combination, and it is fourth combinations. There are totally 4 combinations are there. Okay, 4 combinations are there. Next, question number 13. If all the even digits are removed from the series, which of the following digit will be 8th to the left of 5th digit from right? So 8th left plus 5th from right. Okay, left to right undi kabatti we have to add both. 8 plus 5, 13th from right. We need to find 13th letter from right when all the even digits are removed. So even digits is remove, migitha vanni kuda calculate cheddam. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer when all the even digits are removed. And next question, see the next question. See the next question, question number 14. Which of the following digit is 6th to the left of 15th digit from the right hand? 6th to the left and 15th from right. So when we add both, total 21st from right. We need to find 21st letter from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 21. 21 is 3. Option 3 is the answer. And next question, see the next question. Question number 15. What will be the sum of all the digits which are immediately followed by 2? Immediately followed by 2 means before 2 we have some numbers. Okay, only before 2. So what are the combinations? 2, where 2 lies, this is the 2. Okay, before 2 we have 6, and next before 2 we have 1 plus before 2 we have 5. Okay, no other word, no other letters. So 6 plus 1 plus 5, there are total 12. Okay, option 3, 12 is the answer. This is printing mistake, 12 is the answer. This is the series based questions. And next questions, we have one more puzzle, direction 16 to 20. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions below. So see the question, see the puzzle. 8 women A, B, C, D, P, E, P, F, G and H and 3 men X, Y, Z visited 3 different countries, Paris, Serbia and Dubai. Paris, Serbia and Dubai, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, note, not more than 4 persons visited same country, and also each country visited by only 1 man. Here we have 8 women, 3 men and 3 countries. Okay, so it is the 3 column puzzle. It is the 3 column puzzle. So in this 3 column puzzle, first country తీసుకుందాం and then men and then women. Okay, first country, men and women. So what are the countries we have? Serbia, Paris and Dubai. Paris and Dubai. Serbia, Paris and Dubai. 1, 2, 3. And it is one more possibility, men and women. Men and women. Okay. So this is the puzzle. Start with information, given information. G doesn't visit Serbia. Okay, G is not coming here. G is not coming here. Next, P visit with A but not with G. P visit with A. P visit with A but not G. Next, H visits only with one woman. Okay, H with only one woman but not neither with G nor Paris. Not with G nor Paris. Okay, here H is not coming here, H is not coming here. And next, X visit with C in Serbia. Okay, X visit with C in Serbia. Okay, X is coming here, C is coming here. So look at the puzzle. Only three men, each man visit only one country. Serbia visited by X and Paris visited by Y and Dubai visited by Z. And here Paris visited by Z and Dubai visited by Y. Okay, it is the second possibility. Next, D neither visits with C nor Dubai. Okay, D neither visits with C nor Dubai. Here D is not coming and Dubai. Here also D is not coming. Then D is coming here. Okay, so and here also D neither visit C nor with Dubai. C here also D is not coming and here also D is not coming. D is coming here. Next, A and Z visit same country. A and Z visit same country. A and Z visit same country and A and Z visit same country. B and F visit same country with Y. B and F coming here and B and F coming here. Okay, it is the puzzle. So you see here P and A not with G. Okay, P with A. So P is coming here and P is coming here, but not with G. G is not coming here. G is not coming here means G is coming here. Okay, coming to the possibility 2, G is not coming here and also G is not coming here means G is coming here. Next, H with only one woman. Okay, so the only possibility here is H coming here, but not Paris. Okay, H is coming here also. H is coming here also. But once you observe, here we have totally 5 persons got. Okay, the condition is not more than 4 persons visited same country. Okay, this is not correct possibility. It is the correct possibility. What is the country? Serbia is visited by X and C and H. Paris Z with D, A and P. Dubai visited by Y with B, F and G. Okay, so I am going to take this. Okay, it is the puzzle. Next, see the questions. See the questions. I am just zooming it. Okay, see the questions. Who among the following person visited Dubai? So visited Dubai, Y, B, F, G. Okay. So in this question we have only B here. Next, who among the following person visited same country? Same country means Y, D, Z. So Y, D and Z. Option 1 is not correct. Option 2, A, P, B. A, P and B. Option 2 is also not correct. Both Y and G. Both Y and G. Y and G both are visiting Dubai. Okay. Next, who among the following person visited Serbia? Serbia visited by X, C and H. X, C and H. Okay. H and C. H and C. Only option 5 is the answer. Which of the following statement is true? So see the first statement, A and D visited same country, A and C visited same country. First two statement is correct. X visit Serbia, X visit Serbia, second is also correct. G and F visited Dubai, G and F both are visiting Dubai, this is also correct. Okay, all the statements are correct. Option 5 is the answer. Which of the following combination is correct? So see the combinations, Y Serbia. So Y Serbia, Y Serbia is not correct. H Paris, H Paris is also not correct. Z Dubai, Z Dubai is also not correct. And D Paris, D Paris. So D here and Paris here. Option 4 is correct. Okay. So next move on to the puzzle. Next move on to the question. It is the blood relation puzzle. So I am just zooming it. Okay. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. There are 6 members in a family. So 3 generations with 2 married couple. Okay. There are total 6 members with 3 generations and 2 married couple. Y is mother of R, who is only daughter of Z. Y is mother of R, mother means minus, who is only daughter of Z. R is only daughter of Z. Y is mother means R is, Z is the father of R, and R is a female candidate. C is daughter of S, who is brother-in-law of P, who is unmarried. Okay. So C is daughter of S, C is daughter of S, who is brother-in-law of P. Brother-in-law means P has a sister or brother, this person is married by S. Okay, this person is married by S and P is a unmarried guy. So okay, మనకి టోటల్గా 6 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, ఇక్కడ 3 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఇక్కడ 3 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో వీళ్ళిద్దరిని మనము మిక్స్ చేస్తే, సో సీ హియర్, యూ సీ హియర్, ఇక్కడ YZ both are couple, YZ both are couple, and S is brother-in-law means S is a male candidate. Okay, already ఇక్కడ R వచ్చేసి ఫీమేల్ కాబట్టి S and R both are married couple, and P is son of Y and Z. Why? Because R is only daughter of Y and Z. Okay. Next, C is the daughter of S means C is the daughter of both R and S. She is the female. She is a female. So totally 2 married couples we got. And see the first question. This is the puzzle, blood relation puzzle. See the first question. Yes. Yes. See the first question. How C related to Z? C here and Z here. C is the granddaughter of Z. How Y related to S? How Y related to S? Y here and S here. Okay, S is married, Y is daughter. It means Y is the mother-in-law of S. Y is the mother-in-law of S. Next, C is married to G. If C is married to G, C is a female and G is the male candidate. Then how G related to R? How G related to R? Obviously son-in-law. Obviously son-in-law. So let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. Here we have one more puzzle. Here we have one more puzzle. See the puzzle carefully and answer the given questions from 24 to 28. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F sit around a hexagonal table, but not necessarily in the same order, in a such a way that each of them sit each corner of the table. Some of them face toward table and some of them facing away from the table. Okay, so manaki ikkada total ga 6 persons unnaru. These 6 persons are sitting in a hexagonal table. Hexagonal means that table has totally 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It is one possibility and it is one more possibility. Okay, two possibilities simultaneous ga cheddam. Okay, total 6 persons, 6 corners lo kuchunaru, 3 4 5 and 6. A sits second to the left of D. A sits second to the left of D. 2 persons sit between A and B, who sits immediate right of C. So here I am taking D here. A sits second to the left of D. If D faces center, A is coming here. Okay, I am taking D here. If D faces outside, A is coming here. And next, 2 persons sit between A and B. Between A and B there are totally 2 persons, and between A and B there are totally 2 persons are there. Who sits immediate right of C? Okay, B sits immediate right of C. If C faces center, B is immediate right of C, and if C faces right outside of the center, B is immediate right of C. Next, immediate neighbor of C faces opposite directions of C. So here C facing outside, immediate neighbors are facing inside. Okay, B and this person facing inside. Here C facing center, here B and this person is facing outside of the center. F sits second to the left of E. F sits second to the left of E. Suppose if I place E here, F is coming here. F sits second to the left of E means E facing center. Okay, if I place E here, F is coming here. Okay, if E facing outside of the center, F is second to the left of E. B and A faces each other. Okay, so B and A faces each other means here B is facing center and A is also facing center. Here B is facing outside. Okay, so this is not correct. So this is the only correct solution. So I am cutting this. Let's move on to the questions. Just wait, I am zooming it. Okay, see the first question. Question number 24. Who among the following persons sit third to the right of F? Third to the right of F, here we have F 1 2 and 3. D is the third to the right of F. How many persons sit between E and B when counted from right of E? Between E and B, so E is facing center. Between E and B there is only one person. Option 1 is the answer. Who among the following persons sit immediate left of E? Immediate left means immediate left of E is A. How many persons face toward the table? How many persons face toward the table? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Only 5 persons are facing toward center, remaining C is facing outside. What is the position of C with respect to F? C here and F here. C is immediate left of F. Immediate left of F. Option 5 is the answer. Option 5 is the answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Okay, so see this question. Question number 29. If we add 1 to all the digits of the given element, and then, so first of all I am taking this one, 6 percentage 8 3 at the rate $7 hash 2 and. Okay, so in this element 1 is added to each digit. So 6 plus 1 7 percentage 9 4 at the rate $8 hash 3 and. Okay, next, so what is the next condition? Percentage is replaced by 6. Okay, percentage is replaced by 6. Dollar is replaced by 3. So dollar is replaced by 3. Hash is replaced by 5. Hash is replaced by 5. At the rate is replaced by 8. At the rate is replaced by 8. And is replaced by 2. And is replaced by 2. Remaining all are same. 4 8 and 3. So, what is the final question here? What will be the sum of the digit which is fourth from left? Fourth from left we have 4, okay, fourth from left, and digit sixth from right, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Finally, 8 plus 4, 12 is the answer. 12 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. So, let us move on to the next question. Next question చూడండి ఒకసారి. Question number 30. Question number 30. Yes. Question number 30. There are six stones U and R hash D at the rate L dollar M exclamatory and W percentage of 6 different weights. M is, okay, here we have total 6 stones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it is the minimum weight, it is the maximum weight, okay. Weights are in increasing order. See the first one, M is only lighter than D. So, M is only lighter than D means D is coming here, M is coming here, okay. Before D we have only M here. W is only heavier than R, okay. So, W is only heavier than R. After R, W is there. Next, L is third heaviest, L is third heaviest, L is coming here, okay. So, the remaining person is U and the remaining person is U and A. Which of the following stone is third lightest among all? Third lightest means from starting we have third place only U and A, okay. What is the answer here? Option 1 is the answer. So, let us move on to the next question. Next question we have syllogism. See the first one. Only land is war. It means all war is land, okay. All war is land. War is only related to L, land. No land is epic. No land is epic, and some epic is sun. Some epic is sun. So, see the conclusions. First one is some war can be sun. War here and sun here, but in the statement war is only related to L, okay. There is no relation between war and sun. Conclusion 1 not follows. And next, some sun is not land. So, some sun is here and land is here, and sun is related with E, some sun is land, okay. Definitely statement 2 follows. And between land and epic, there is no relation between land and epic. Next, some land is sun. Some land is sun. Land here and sun here. There is no relation between sun and land. Option conclusion 3 is also not follows. Only 2 follows. Only 2 follows. Next, statement 32. 32 puzzles. Only battle is bowl. So, only battle is bowl. It means all bowl are battle. All bowl are battle. So, bowl and battle. Next, some battle are bomb. Some battle are bomb. Next, none bomb is bound. None bomb is bound. Okay, it is the syllogism. So, see the first conclusion. Some bowl can be bound. So, bowl here and bound here, okay. No relation between bowl and bound. Conclusion 1 doesn't follows. Some battle is not bound. So, battle here and bound here. So, here some battle is bomb and no bomb is bound. Kabatti definitely conclusion 2 anedi follow aitundi anamata. Conclusion 2 anedi follow aitundi. What is the answer here? Only 2 follows. Only 2 follows. Let us move on to the next and see this one. 33. All have is had, okay. Have, all have is had, has. 23% of has is had. So, 23% means some, okay. 23%, 99%, even 99.9% is also some. We will take some. So, some has is had. Some has is had. And next, some had is heaven. some had is heaven. Heaven comes here. A few heaven is has. Okay, a few heaven is has. It means some heaven is has. Okay, it is the syllogism. So let's move on to conclusions. Some have cannot be had. Okay, have ikkada undi and had ikkada undi. Okay, have ikkada undi, had ikkada undi. రెండింటి మధ్య డెఫినెట్ రిలేషన్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ కన్క్లూజన్ అనేది డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. కన్క్లూజన్ అనేది ఫాలో కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ హ్యావ్ ఈజ్ హెవెన్. హ్యావ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, హెవెన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. దెర్ ఈజ్ నో డెఫినెట్ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ హెవెన్ అండ్ హ్యావ్. సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఫాలోస్. థర్డ్ కన్క్లూజన్ ఆల్ హ్యాడ్ క్యాన్ బి హెవెన్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ హ్యాడ్ హియర్ and heaven here. Okay, option 3 definitely follows. Only 3 follows. Only 3 follows. Can be means possible. Okay, next 34. Some Sony is star. Some Sony is star. Next, some star is enter. Some star is enter. No seam is enter. No seam is enter. Okay, no seam is enter. See the conclusion. All Sony can be seen. Sony here and seam here, and all Sony is seam definitely follows. Okay, there is no definite relation between seam and sun. That's why seam and Sony. That's why all Sony can be seam is definitely follows. Next, a few Sony is enter. A few Sony is enter. Sony here and enter here. There is no relation between Sony and enter. Okay, 2 is not follows. And next, see the next one. No seam is star. Seam here and star here. Star here, seam here. There is no relation between star and seam. So third one conclusion is also not follows. Only one follows. Only one follows. Option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 35. There are some color boxes we have. Pink is N, blue is H, red box is I, orange is E, and yellow O, purple F, and black box is A. How many meaningful words can be formed using the letters on the box? Pink, orange, purple, and red. So pink is N, and orange is E, and next purple is F, and next red is I. Okay, so from these letters how many meaningful words we can form? So NEFT, fine, FINE, fine word can be formed. Okay, fine word వస్తుంది కదా మనకి ఇక్కడ. సో ఓన్లీ ఫైన్ వర్డ్ ఒకటే వస్తుంది. ఆప్షన్ 2 is the answer. No way to answer remaining questions. So next, see the question number 36 to 40. Here we have one more puzzle, final puzzle. 8 persons, Kiran, Rinki, Kamal, Gol, Geeta, Hina, Rohit, and Hemant, sit around a circular table but not necessarily in the same order, all of them facing toward center of the table. So here we have one table and here we have one more table. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 7 and 8. Okay, all are facing center. Next, same starting letter named persons don't sit adjacent to each other. Okay, ఒకే నేమ్తో ఒకే లెటర్తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే పర్సన్స్ పక్క పక్కన ఉండరు. ఇట్ మీన్స్ కిరణ్ అండ్ కమల్ నాట్ నైబర్స్, అండ్ రింకీ అండ్ రోహిత్ బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ నైబర్స్, గోల్ అండ్ గీత బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ నైబర్స్, హీనా అండ్ హేమంత్ both also not neighbors. It is the main condition given here. Start with the puzzle. Rohit sits immediate left of Hemant, who sits opposite to Geeta. Okay, so Hemant, here I am taking Hemant, and Rohit sits immediate left. Rohit is here and Hemant is opposite to Geeta. Hemant is opposite to Geeta. Again Hemant, Rohit and Geeta. Rinki sits opposite to Gol. Okay, Rinki sits opposite to Gol. Suppose if I place Gol here, Rinki is coming here. Okay, Rinki is coming here. Suppose if I place Gol here, Rinki is coming here, but Geeta and Gol both are neighbors, that is not correct. Okay. Yes. Okay. And next, one more possibility. What is the one more possibility? Goal and Rinky, goal and Rinky coming here. Next, and next one is Hina is adjacent to Rinky. Hina is adjacent to Rinky. So Hina is coming here. Why? Because if I place Hina, both Hemant and Hina both are neighbors. That is not correct condition. And Hina is adjacent to Rinky. Hina. Okay. Hina is adjacent to Rinky. And second to the left of Kiran. Second to the left of Kiran. So if I place Kiran here, Hina is second to the left of Kiran, and in the lefting person only, Kamal is the lefted person. Okay. This is not required. So I am going to take this puzzle into questions. Yes. See the questions. Question number 36. Question number 36. Who among the following persons sit opposite to Rohit? So Rohit here, opposite to Rohit, we have Hina. We have Hina there. How many persons sit between Kamal and Hina when counted right of Kamal? And Kamal here and Hina here. So between Kamal and Hina, from right of Kamal, only Rinky is there. Only one person is there. And next, what is the position of Kiran with respect to Rohit? What is the position of Kiran with respect to Rohit? Kiran here and Rohit here. Kiran is, yes, Kiran with respect to Rohit means from Rohit, Kiran is second to the left. Second to the left. Who among the following person sit opposite to Kiran? Opposite to Kiran, there is Kamal is there. Kamal is there. Who among the following persons sit third to the right of Hemant? Hemant here. From third to the right of Hemant, we have Hina. Okay, we have Hina. So totally 40 questions are completed. So all the best for your examinations. Thanks for watching the class.